Your entry door serves as both the first impression of your home and a key component in keeping your family safe and comfortable. Over time, wear and tear, changing weather conditions, and outdated design can take a toll on your door's appearance and performance. If you live in West Valley City, where weather conditions can fluctuate between harsh winters and hot summers, ensuring that your entry door is in good condition is essential for both security and energy efficiency. So, how do you know when it's time to replace your entry door? Here are the top signs to look for to determine if your entry door needs replacing. Increased energy bills. One of the most common signs that your entry door needs replacing is an increase in energy bills. As your door ages, the seals and weather stripping can wear down, allowing cold air to enter during the winter and cool air to escape during the summer. This means your heating and cooling systems have to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. If you've noticed a rise in your energy costs despite keeping your thermostat settings consistent, it might be time to check your entry door. Energy-efficient doors, made from materials like fiberglass or steel, offer superior insulation that can help reduce drafts and improve your home's energy efficiency, keeping both the hot and cold air outside where it belongs. Visible damage or wear. Over time, your entry door will face a lot of wear and tear. In West Valley City, where the climate can include rain, snow, and extreme sun exposure, your door can quickly show signs of damage. This might include scratches, dents, or water stains. If you notice wood rot or warping, particularly in wooden doors, it's a sure sign that the door has been compromised and may no longer be providing the necessary protection for your home. Additionally, fading or peeling paint not only looks unattractive but can also indicate that the material underneath is being damaged by the elements. If your door is showing significant signs of damage that are difficult or expensive to repair, replacing it may be the most cost-effective solution. Drafts and air leaks. A drafty entry door can make your home uncomfortable, especially during the colder months. If you feel a constant draft coming through the bottom of your door or around the edges, it could be due to worn-out weather stripping, poor seals, or even gaps in the door itself. This allows unwanted air to enter your home, making it harder to regulate the temperature and putting unnecessary strain on your HVAC system. A properly installed energy-efficient door will create a tighter seal, ensuring that air stays inside your home and unwanted drafts stay out. If you're noticing a draft even after reapplying weather stripping or other fixes, it may be time to consider replacing the door altogether. Difficulty opening or closing the door. If you find it increasingly difficult to open or close your entry door, there's likely an underlying issue with the door's frame or mechanism. A misaligned or warped door can stick, making it a hassle to use. Additionally, issues with the locking mechanism can make the door less secure, which is a major concern for any homeowner. Doors that are difficult to operate can also compromise your home security. A door that doesn't close or lock properly can provide an easy point of entry for burglars. If your door's functionality is deteriorating, it's best to replace it with a door that operates smoothly and securely. Outdated style and appearance. Your entry door plays a big role in the curb appeal of your home. If your door looks outdated, faded, or mismatched with the rest of your home's aesthetic, it can make your entire property look less inviting. An old or worn-out door can detract from your home's beauty and make it appear neglected. Upgrading to a new entry door can instantly enhance your home's exterior and give it a fresh, modern look. New doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to choose one that fits your home's design while also improving security and energy efficiency. If your door no longer reflects the style or personality of your home, replacing it can be an affordable and impactful upgrade. Poor security features. If your entry door doesn't offer adequate security features, it's time for a replacement. Older doors, especially wooden ones, may not be as strong or durable as modern materials like fiberglass or steel. A weak door makes it easier for burglars to break in, and outdated locks or handles can compromise your home's security. Investing in a new door with advanced locking systems and reinforced frames will significantly improve your home's security. Many new doors come with multi-point locks and impact-resistant glass, providing better protection against forced entry. If your door is not as secure as it should be, replacing it with a more durable, modern option will give you peace of mind. Constant maintenance and repairs. If you find yourself constantly needing to repair or maintain your entry door, it may be more cost-effective in the long run to replace it. Frequent repairs, such as fixing warped frames, replacing weather stripping, or reapplying paint, can add up quickly. Additionally, some older doors are no longer energy efficient, meaning you're spending more on energy bills than necessary. By replacing your door with a high-quality, low-maintenance model, you'll not only reduce the need for constant repairs but also enjoy improved performance and energy efficiency. New doors are made from durable materials that require less upkeep and are designed to last for many years. Conclusion: when to replace your entry door in West Valley City. Your entry door is an essential part of your home's security, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. If you're noticing any of the signs above, such as increased energy bills, visible damage, drafts, difficulty operating the door, or outdated style, it's time to consider replacing your door. By investing in a new entry door, you'll not only improve your home's energy efficiency and security but also boost its overall curb appeal. Replacing your entry door is a smart upgrade that provides long-term benefits for your home and your family.